Hey guys, JC Kelly with Grand Design RV. I'm here to show you the all-new 25G out here in Winfield, BC. Come on and take a look. One of my favorite features about this 25G is this rear deck patio system. You get all the space, you get the indoor-outdoor space, plus you get a great pull-down screen that keeps the bugs out, and it's a perfect place to hang out with your family. Hey guys, we're here with the all-new 25G. I want to show you one of my favorite features. Comes with a sub rep in case you need somebody else from Grand Design. Comes with the trailer. One of my other favorite features about this 25G is the 1-inch marine grade decking. That is 1-inch thick flooring, single decked all the way from front to back. Also, we get 100 gallons of freshwater capacity in here with a weight of only 94.95. Guys, these are just a few of my favorite features about the Grand Design product. There's many more. I highly recommend you come out, get with your local dealer, come get a full tour of everything we've got going on. Come explore the outdoors with your family. I mean, how could you not want to enjoy the outdoors in this lovely 25G with the indoor-outdoor space? Have a great day and come check us out.